Hey guys, welcome to Daniel's Tutorials, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can use motion blur on CapCut. Now using motion blur on CapCut is pretty much simple, and some people might tell you that you will just have to cut this, split, yeah, Control B, split. However, that's not really the way. They even tell you have to go to effects and find motion blur. Aside from that, I mean blur or whatever, such as this one. Now that's a way that you can do motion blur, but that's not really what the main way of using motion blur here on Canva is. And that's one option that you can do it. However, the real motion blur on CapCut. So the real motion blur is when you click on a clip here on your video, you just actually have to go here to basic and scroll down until you see motion blur. So motion blur it uses an optical flow to create an apparent streaking a moving object in a video. So to apply motion blur to multiple clips, create a compound clip with these clips and apply motion blur to the compound clip. So basically all we just need to do is to select a clip and click on motion blur, and now it will start processing that clip. Now you just need to wait. You have to choose whether you want it to be the blur to be 100% and which direction this will go. I can choose forward, and I can choose 4 times. And now all you just really need to do is to wait for the motion blur effect to take effect basically. And there we go. Once it's done, your video already has motion blur. So that's basically it. That is how you can add motion blur to your videos. And again, you have the option to whether choose this one on the effects, but the main motion blur effect that you can find is by the video itself. However, that's a problem. This is not for free. That's a problem with motion blur. It's not for free. It's for pro. So you won't be able to export this video without paying for CapCut Pro. So that's it. If you have no choice, then of course for free you can always use the motion blur here on the effects. But if you have CapCut Pro, then the best one is to use this one here because it processes video much better as well. And that's it. That is how you can add motion blur to your videos. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.